Hey guys, Dylan Richards here. I'm going to show you how to fix a tablet. Oh, by the way, again, thank you for 3 subscribers. Thank you so much. Let's go. Okay, this is how you're going to fix it. Crowbar. See that? See that? It's fixing. You see? Yeah. Turn it on. It turns on. It fixed. Fixed. Yeah, first it never turned on. Well, it did, but it didn't work. Now I'm just messing with you. I'm breaking it. Turned into a break my tablet video. I'm out here. Smells like it's smoking. Yeah, it's pretty much broken now, guys. I broke my tablet. You see that?
Let me break some.
Oh, sister's gonna try to break it. Just smash it. Now let Ryder, and then we're gonna be done.
My turn.
No, I'm gonna smash this some more, guys. Right here. Break it! Break! Put a hole in it!
My turn.
No, we're done. Alright, that's the end of the video. Remember, subscribe, like, and put on notification. See you next time.